Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing PeopleBots, which allows you to add conversational AI to your website. And the unique thing about this software is that it also allows you to add human interaction to these bots. Now, basically, this is a chat application which can answer all your visitors' questions. You can train this bot with website data, with text data, with YouTube videos, etc., so that it can answer all the questions of your visitors. Now, if the visitors do not get the right answer from the AI, they can request for a human takeover, which allows you to step in and to chat live with customers as well. Now, in case you're interested, check out the link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to my website where you can find more information about the pricing, available coupons, and also some bonuses if you pick this up through my link. For now, let's dive into it and let me show you how PeopleBots work. So right now I'm logged in, and to get started, you first need to create an expert here. So here we have the menu with experts. And as you can see here, you can create different kind of experts. So you can create sales experts, you can create support experts, or training experts. And these that you're seeing here at the top are the scratch ones, but you can also choose one of the pre-done sales experts for you. So here are sales experts, as you can see here. These are support experts. And then here we have the training experts. Now, in this case, let's do the sales expert here, and let's pick Alex Johnson in here so that we can modify this one. As you can see here, this is Alex Johnson. It has a profile of sales. And then in here, you have the description of Alex, of your support manager. Now you can also say, I want to name this totally different. You give this another name. You can give this your own name. You can upload your own profile picture, etc. But let's continue with this one for demo purposes. So I'm going to click next, and on this screen, you can pick the colors of your chat. Now, this can be modified at the end, so you can basically pick any one. So let's say we want to have the purple one here. Now it is ready, and we can train our bot with the information that we'd like to train this bot for. So in this case, I want to train it for this page, for example, where I'm going to be a support or a sales manager for this product LeadsMate AI that I reviewed last week. So what I can do here is I can go to the URL here. As you can see, I can copy this URL. And now I can go back to PeopleBots and I can say, I want to add a URL to train this bot. So I'm going to paste that in here, and I'm going to do LeadsMate review here, and I'm going to click on add. So what PeopleBots will do now, as you can see, it's uploading the file. It basically trains the bot with the website information, with the data, with the content on that website. And as you can see here, the file has been uploaded successfully. And if we open this file here, you can see exactly what we trained it with. So here you can see all the text, and basically what it did, it grabbed all the information from this page here, and it trains the bot with that information. So when I click save here, it's already saved. Let's go back to the previous menu. You can see here now I have this as information. Now, another way to train is to add text yourself. So I can say a label here. I can say, for example, what is LeadsMate? And then I can type the information in here, and then it will also be added to this menu. Another way is to upload a file. So let's say you have a doc, a PDF, a docx, HTML, or TXT file with information. So let's say you are not using this as a sales bot, but you're using this as training. You could upload PDFs with training so it knows exactly what to answer. You could do this, for example, for cooking. If you have recipes, you can upload recipes PDFs into the bot so that it knows exactly to tell what kind of recipes people want, and if they ask for a recipe, the bot can answer it exactly because you trained it that way. In this case, we want to train this bot with LeadsMate, which is a product. So what I'm going to do next is YouTube. I can also go to my YouTube video. So this is my review video of LeadsMate. And what I can do here is when I click on share, I can simply copy this YouTube URL. I can go back to PeopleBots here, I can paste it in here, and I can say video review. And now I can add that as well. And now it's fetching the content from YouTube. And as you can see here, it already fetching the information. And here you can see, hey guys, it's Tim here. And I'll be reviewing blah, blah, blah. And here you can see all the information from my review. This is basically the captions that are downloaded here as information for this specific expert. So now that I have trained my bot here, I can go to my expert here. And as you can see, now we have Alex in here. So I already trained this before, and that's the next thing that I wanted to show you. Now we have two different, the same faces in here. So what you can do as well is you can create an avatar in here, or you can upload your own picture, or you can train or create an avatar. So let's say I want to do, let's say here, a blonde customer support employee with a beard and glasses. So when I click on create, it creates a new avatar for me that I can use. Here, look at this. For example, if this is the one, I can also say generate another one. But let's say we take this one. Now we can download this. We can go back to our experts in here. We go to all experts, and we can change this one because this is the one that we just created, and I can upload my own image in here. So this is the avatar that we just used. I'm going to click upload, or that we just created here, and now it has been replaced with this one. Now we can also change the title, so we can say this is Timothy Becker. There you go. And again, here is all the information. Now on this screen here, we can edit everything in the chat. So I can say the header background color. If I like to have that gradient, I can do that as well. Look at this. Now it becomes blue to dark blue. And if I want to change the text here because it's black, I can change it as well. I can make this white, and I can do everything. So this is just the header, but when I do this, I can also go to the message part in here. So I can say the background color, I like to have that solid white, for example. I always like to have a clean chat. So here you can see that. So basically you can change everything. You can change the colors here from Alex here, what he's typing, but also the visitor. You can change the colors of the visitor. You can go to the footer and disable the branding if you like to in here. You can upload your own chat icon. So right now, this is the chat icon that will be used, but you can upload your own chat icon as well. And basically you're customizing the whole chat experience in here. Then inside of the leads part here, you can also enable voice chat. So when I enable this, people will also be able to chat with their voice, and PeopleBots will reply with a voice. I'm going to show you that in a second. So here you can choose from the different voices. You can listen to the voices.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
And for example, so let's take this one, a female, Nova.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the...
So you can pick whatever you like. So I'm going to take the first one here, and capture leads. You can also say, I want to capture leads. So show a lead magnet capture after 4 messages. So that basically asks for their name and their email address. You can see this message, kindly share your email address before continuing, ensuring we can reach out to you in case of any disconnection. And then provide us with details about yourself. And then you can say, I want to have the name, I want to have the email. If you only want to have the email, you simply deselect this one. You can change it all as well by clicking this pencil. And then email notifications. You can also send the transcript to the admin after the chat ends, and you can send the transcript to a user after the chat ends as well. I'm not going to enable this right now. I'm going to go to the settings part in here. So here you will be able to allow the visitor to request a person chat. So when I enable this, you can chat with them live inside of PeopleBots. I'm going to show you an example as well of that. Allow visitors to full screen chat, or allow visitors to book meetings. If you enable this, you need to embed your links of your meeting software in here. Now the default language, as you can see, all languages here are supported. In this case, we're going to keep this to English. The response length, so you can choose if the response are small, medium, or large. I like to have these small. And play notification sounds on a new message. Now you can set the welcome message, so you can initiate a conversation where the welcome message will be displayed. Hello there, if you need any help, just send me a message. So you can see this in here. And also a fallback message. Sorry, I'm not aware of this answer, you can contact support. So this is if the AI does not know an answer. And of course, you always need to save your bot in here. And then the embed pixel code. This is the final part where you can copy this embed code and you can add that to your website. So this is my website. I can open my tracking codes. I can paste that in here. And now I can close this and I can publish my page here so that I can start chatting with my bot. Now, this is the first option. So let's preview this. So this will load my website. And as you can see, let me move myself to the left here. You can see there is a chat icon on my website. And there you go. Boom. Do you see that message? Hello there. If you need any help, just send me a message. I'm here to help. So this was the starting conversations. So when people click on this, they will see the chat on my website, as you can see here. And here's the welcome message. This is Timothy that we created. And now we can type a message. So let's say, can you tell me what LeadsMate is? And how the AI is going to answer this question for me. And there you go. LeadsMate is an AI is an advanced lead generation platform that helps you find high quality leads from multiple sources, including Google, LinkedIn, and Facebook. It offers unique features like real-time lead monitor, blah, blah, blah. Do you see that in here? So, okay, can you tell me the price? And what will happen now is that it's first going to ask, kindly share your email address before continuing, ensuring we can reach out. So this was the message. Remember how you can build your list and how you can reply to them. So I'm going to say Gerald and gerald@gmail.com, and I'm going to send this here. So thank you for providing information. How can I help you? So now I can continue chatting and I can ask questions. So the pricing, please. And here, Alex is going to give me the price. Hi, Gerald. The pricing for LeadsMate AI starts at $37 for basic version. There are bundle deals available and upgrades available going up to $297. For more details on pricing and discounts, please check the link in the description. So here's going to answer the questions. And if I want to have links, I should have added these links in the training documentation. But here you can see it works pretty smooth, right? Now, another thing is you can use the audio chat. So when I click on audio chat, I can click this microphone and I can ask my questions. So first I need to allow my microphone, allow this time. Hi, where does LeadsMate get the leads from which platforms? So now I'll click stop. It says understanding. Now this takes a little while to get it here. Hi, where does LeadsMate get the leads from which platforms? And now it's going to respond in a voice as well.
Hi, visitor. LeadsMate AI sources leads from 4 powerful platforms. 1, Google, fresh leads from new domains. 2, LinkedIn, professional connections. 3, Facebook, targeted prospects. 4, domain leads, recently registered domains. Feel free to ask if you have more questions.
So if I like to, I can ask more questions here, or I can go back to the return to chat here where I have the rest of the chat and I can continue chatting. Now, there's also an option here, request a chat with a human. So when I click this button, I'm getting a notification in here. It's giving a sound in your browser where you can say, hey, a user requested a human chat. And when I accept this, it's going to load the chat with this human for me, with this visitor for me. So now it says Tim Verdouw joined. So I can say, hi, how can I help you? So now I'm chatting one-on-one. I took over from the bot, and when I go back to the conversation, you see, hey, hi, how can I help you? I need your help, Tim. And you can see here, it goes back here. It comes here in the chat. There you go. I need your help, Tim. And somehow it's giving me a message. Sorry, at this time it's not possible to chat with the person. Okay, how can I? Not sure why that message is there. I will let Cyril know about this. When I go back to the chat, okay, how can I help? You can see this is cool. And this way you will be able to do human takeover with chats. Now, another option is when you go back to your chat here, you can do a full screen embed code. So you can copy this code and you can add that to your website, to the body tag, to get it full screen. Personally, I don't think you will be going to use this as full screen. Maybe that's on empty pages. I don't know, because you can add your chat to the right bottom of your page, right? Another option here is the chat link. This is what I wanted to show you. So you're also going to get a link that you can send directly to people to chat with you. And this is also a full screen page, as you can see here, where you can start chatting with Timothy Becker. And this way, you have multiple options to use your chat. Now, all chats will be stored in the chat part here. So if there are live chats and I click on live chats, the live chats will be available here. When I click on all chats, you can see all the chats that have been done through my website here. And I can also preview all chats. So when I open a chat here, you can see the whole conversation of this chat here. You can see everything that's being said. And if you like to, you can also email this to yourself. You can download this conversation. And one thing that I haven't showed you yet, so let me explain this easier. Let's say this was a human takeover here, and I've answered some questions that were not in the database. What I can do here is I can click on add chat here, and I can say, let's say leads made pricing. Let's say that was not on my website. And in this conversation, I have explained the pricing structure of leads made. What I can do here is I can save this, and right now it's being saved to the database. Now you can see that when you go to the experts. So let's open the experts in here. I think it's Alex Johnson here. So when I go to question and answer here, you can see here leads made pricing. Do you see that? So this is what I've added to the question and answers. So for each expert, you can add questions and answers. So this is Sophia for a totally different product. I can add questions and answers. This is Angus here. I can add questions and answers for this specific bot. So here you have all your experts, all your bots. And to add them to your website, you simply go to Edit Expert and you grab the Embed Pixel. Now, another way, instead of going to the live to all chats here, is you can also visit all the experts in here that you're seeing right now on this screen. And you can go to the chats of this specific expert. So when I open this expert, you can see all the chats of this expert. When I go back and I open the chat of Timothy, you can see that here now we have those two conversations. So to do a recap on how to train your bots, you can train the bots with files. When I click on this, you can see, okay, I can add text files, I can type text, I can add website URLs, I can upload files, and I can add YouTube videos to train this specific expert. But what I also can do to train this expert is I can go to question and answer, and here I can create custom questions and answers. So I can say, hey, what is the pricing of PeopleBots? Currently, we are selling it for $397 here. And you can save this. And now when people are asking this question, they will get this answer in here. So the final thing to train it is when you go to the live chats or to all chats here, you can open the chat and then you can also say, okay, this is a specific chat. I also want to add this specific chat to train this bot. You give this a title, and now this whole chat conversation will be as a training for your bot. Now, PeopleBots also will have the option to upgrade to team access, where you can send invites to an email address here. You can select the expert in here and send the invite to this specific person that you're inviting to become a team member. SMTP, so by default, PeopleBots will email all the conversations. If you selected that, it will email the conversation to the visitor of your website. That will be done by default by PeopleBots. But if you like to use your own SMTP details, your own branding, you can fill that out in here. You can simply select the expert here. So let's say we want to have Timothy Becker. Now we can set up the SMTP details for Timothy Becker. But let's say I want to do this for another expert in here. So when I go to SMTP here, I can say, for example, Sophia. I can have other SMTP details for Sophia. So I can add this for multiple businesses. Autoresponder, if you want to build your email list from the people that have visited your website, that have filled out your details, you can redirect them to your autoresponder and send follow-up messages to that person. Now, the AI avatar, we already showed you that, how to create an avatar, and credits. So it's a credit-based system. Here you can see the credits that have been used for the chats that we've done through our website. And when you click on buy more credits, you can purchase more credits here. It's not expensive. It's 2,000 credits for just $1. So here, 10,000 credits will only cost you $5 in order to add credits to your account. Now, there is an option also to upgrade to unlimited. This will be a yearly payment, so you can have unlimited chats for a year. But again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description. On my website, you can find all the details about the pricing, available coupons, bonuses, etc. And of course, if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you answer those questions. And if this video was useful, please hit the thumbs up. It helps me to rank my videos on YouTube. And if you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of similar reviews to this one, to software, to marketing software. So if you hit that notification bell, you will get notified each time I upload a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.